Breast cancer is rising, and researchers are confused about that, why it's rising. And today I want to talk about a news I read in Science Daily, and this research was done in University of California in San Francisco, and it says breast cancer is rising rapidly among Asian American women, especially younger women. A new study that I'm talking about, led by researchers at the University of California, San Francisco, has found a significant increase in breast cancer rates among Asian American women in the United States. The researchers analyzed nearly 150,000 cases of invasive breast cancer diagnosed between 2000 and 2022, and the results are concerning. Breast cancer rates increased by more than 3% every year in almost every Asian American group included in the study. But there is what makes the findings particularly important. The increase in happening among younger women too. By 2022, breast cancer rates among Asian American women under the age of 50 had become comparable to those of white women in the same age group. So, why is this happening? Scientists don't have a clear answer yet. The possibility is that more women are getting screened, which means more cancers are being detected. But screening doesn't appear to explain the whole story. That's because researchers also observed increase in advanced breast cancers, which are cancers that have already spread beyond the original tumor. The study also found a worrying increase in triple negative breast cancer, one of the more aggressive forms of the disease. Among Chinese American women, triple negative breast cancer increased by more than 6% per year between 2017 and 2022. And this is particularly important because triple negative breast cancer doesn't have three common molecular targets: estrogen receptors, prosto- uh, prog- progesterone receptors, and HER2, which limits some targeted treatment options. So, what could be driving these changes? Researchers are investigating several possibilities, including changes in reproductive patterns, diet, lifestyle, environmental exposures, and access to healthcare. But so far, none of these factors completely explains the rapid increase. And that's exactly why the researchers say more studies are needed. Another important point is that Asian American women shouldn't be treated as one single population. Chinese American, Vietnamese American, Korean American, Japanese American, Filipino American, and other communities can have very different risk factors and cancer patterns. The researchers used data from the National Cancer Institute's SEER program, converting Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander populations across uh, 14 US states. The study was led to Scarlett Lynn Gomez, a professor at UCSF and a researcher at the UCSF Helen Diller Family Comprehensive Cancer Center. The team is now looking at additional data through ongoing studies to better understand what's driving these trends. And there is an important takeaway here. This study doesn't tell us that one particular lifestyle or behavior is causing breast cancer. What it tells us is that breast cancer patterns are changing rapidly in some Asian American communities, particularly among younger women, and scientists need to understand why. The findings could eventually help researchers develop better screening, prevention, and treatment strategies tailored to different populations. The study was conducted by researchers at UCSF using data from National Cancer Institute and was published in JAMA Network Open in 2026. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me. Please subscribe my page and like. I will share with you hot topics in biology, cancer biology, cell therapy, and other medical topics. See you.